Hello, my name is Na-Young Kim, the corresponding author of Expression Rates of Sex Hormone Receptors with their clinical correlates in gastric cancer patients and normal controls. The incidence of gastric cancer differs between the sexes depending on the histologic type. Diffuse type cancer affects young female patients more frequently. In contrast, as time goes, 20 years after menopause, the diffuse type percent was 39.4%, which is very similar to male diffuse type. Thus, we can suppose that the role of sex hormones in GC is evident, that is, estrogen prevents intestinal type GC. Estrogen regulates the cellular effects through their intracellular receptors, such as ER-alpha and ER-beta. And this is the cascade of androgen and androgen receptor. That is, testosterone is converted to dihydrotestosterone and it binds to AR. And this DHT-AR translocates into nucleus and binds to the androgen response element, so-called ARE, in the premotor region of target genes. Thus, androgen receptor cascade is very similar to that of estrogen receptor pathway. From this background, we aim to investigate the distribution and expression of sex hormone receptors in GC tissues in comparison to control subjects. And next, we try to evaluate whether the expression of sex hormone receptors is different according to the characteristics of GC, including histologic type. We included 110 subjects, 74 with gastric cancer and 36 controls. And they were selected by sex first and HB status and cancer type, such as early and advanced type. GC patients were characterized like Loren classification and WHO classification. That is, intestinal type, diffuse and mixed type, and differentiated, undifferentiated type. Here is the representative images of immunochemistry of hormone receptors, ER-alpha and ER-AR and ER-beta. ER-alpha and AR is very adequate, but ER-beta was very strong. Anyway, when we calculate the expression scores of sex hormone receptors between control and cancer, it shows that the ER-alpha and the androgen receptor is a higher expression in cancer tissues. However, ER-beta was similar and slightly the other data showed the higher in control tissue. In terms of HP, ER-beta shows it is very higher in HP positive, but the ER-alpha, it is not significant, but the HP positive was lower. And the Loren type shows that the AR androgen receptor shows a higher expression in diffuse type, and WHO classification, ER-alpha and AR shows higher expression in the undifferentiated type. From this result, we can summarize that expression of ER-alpha and androgen receptor were higher in GC than normal controls. In contrast, that of ER-beta was lower in GC. HP positivity was lower in the presence of ER-alpha and AR. However, ER-beta expression was higher or equal in HP positive group. In terms of histology type, the expression of ER-alpha and AR were significantly higher in diffuse or undifferentiated type. In conclusion, it looks like that ER-alpha and AR contributed to the diffuse type gastric carcinogenesis even when HP is negative, while ER-beta has preventive effect on GC, especially intestinal type. Right now, research for the underlying mechanism of the preventive effect of ER-beta on the intestinal type GC is undergoing. Thank you very much.